Hey guys, I made a zipper pouch. I made a pouch tutorial before, but this is a simpler version. Also, I wanted to make a bigger pouch to store bigger items. And here's what I did. For my outer fabric, I cut two pieces at 14 inches by 12 inches. I also cut two pieces at 14 inches by 12 inches for my inner fabric. I used a 14-inch zipper. I sewed a zigzag stitch around all the edges to prevent fraying. Since there isn't a print on my fabric, I added a piece of tape to mark the front side. Take one outer fabric piece and one inner fabric piece. Align the edge of the zipper with the top of the inner fabric, front facing up. Then place and align the outer fabric back facing up on top. Pin and sew. I sewed 1/4 of an inch from the edge. When you open it up, it should look like this. Flip it so that the front of both pieces are shown. I sewed 1/8 of an inch along the fold by the zipper. Next, take the other inner fabric piece, front facing up, and align it with the other edge of the zipper. Then place the other outer fabric piece, back facing up, on top. I sewed 1/4 of an inch from the edge. Move the zipper tag as you sew. Flip it so that the front of both pieces are shown. I sewed 1/8 of an inch along the fold by the zipper. Next, align the two outer fabric pieces and the two inner fabric pieces. I sewed 1/4 of an inch from the edge. Leave an opening on the inner fabric. Leave the zipper partly open. I sewed 3/8 of an inch from the sides. When doing this, fold the zipper in half and toward the inner fabric pieces. I measured the outer fabric pieces wrong. They were slightly bigger than my inner fabric pieces, so I needed to trim them. Cut the corners to prevent bunching. Again, I sewed a zigzag stitch, but that's not necessary. Next, go through the opening and turn it inside out. Then go through the zipper opening and turn it inside out. Sew the opening closed, and your zipper pouch is done. The pouch ended up being 13 inches by 11 inches.